So in order to switch your calculator between degree mode and radian mode when doing trigonometric calculations, you can see that when you switch your calculator on at the moment here, the calculator has a small letter D at the top of the display window. That indicates that the calculator is currently in degree mode. So if you input an angle, or the calculator will assume that's a degree measure you're giving, or if it gives you an answer, the answer will be in degrees. So if you want to switch to doing it in radians, if you're working with trigonometric graphs, or if you're doing any kind of calculus calculations, you want to switch to radian mode, you have to press the settings button in the top left-hand corner of the calculator. So I press the settings button, you can see this menu pops up. And the top one there is calculator settings. That's what I want to select, so I've got to press the OK button for that. And if I press the OK, you can see the second option on that menu there is for angle unit. So these are the directional arrows, the arrows surrounding the OK button at the top of your calculator. So I press the downward directional arrow to angle unit is highlighted and press OK. I go in, you can see there's the 3 different units of measurement we can use for any kind of calculation. We can use degrees, we can use radians, we can use gradients. Now for Leaving Certificate, you're never going to be using gradients. You'll just be switching between degrees and radians. So if I want to switch to radian mode, if I just press the downward arrow until radians is highlighted and press OK, and then press the on button, you can see when I go back to my display screen now, you can see there's now a little letter OR at the top of the display window, indicating the calculator is now in radian mode. And now if I want to go back to degrees, again, same sequence of button pushes, I press the settings button, go down and press calculator settings there, select OK, go down to angle unit, select OK again, and this time when degrees is highlighted, press OK. You can see the little circle there highlights degrees, and again press the on button, and when I go back to my display window, you can see now there's a little D at the top. So make sure that you're able to switch between degrees and radians, and when you're doing trigonometry calculations, try to train yourself to do that straight away. When you read the question, see if the question you're answering is in degrees or radians, and straight away check that your calculator is in the appropriate mode, and if it's not, switch it immediately.